Well, hello and welcome to TripleChip's Down the Hatch 2, where today gonna be making some tartar sauce. You can usually get these. I've been buying these for years. They're about $4 in your grocery store. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna make my own homemade stuff. So what we're gonna need is you're gonna take 1 cup of Miracle Whip. Probably got most of this in your fridge right now. 1 cup of Miracle Whip, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, or real lemons if you have them. I'm gonna take 1 tablespoon of pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of classic or mustard, I should say, and 1 tablespoon of minced onions. We're just gonna whip up some of that. So I already got the 1 cup of Miracle Whip here already prepped. We're just gonna, in no particular order, we're just gonna add these in. That's roughly about a tablespoon there. So I can put our onions in. Get that out of the way. I was just showing you that just because I'm using the real onions. So, and then, you know what? 1 tablespoon of the relish here. Fill that up pretty close. Wipe that off. There's gunk all over this. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna 1 tablespoon of real lemonade, or lemon juice, not lemonade. It says lemon juice. I'm gonna put a bit of that. Whoa! Whoa, this thing is kind of tricky. Okay, there we go. Got it all over the counter here. I think I got that paper towel here still. Gonna smell lemony fresh though now. Okay, and the last thing is, let's give this a couple shakes. Put some mustard in there. Do it with this hand instead. Fill that up. It's almost kind of similar like if you're making deviled eggs, but never made this before, so give her a try here. Just slid right out of there because I had the lemon juice first. Now we're just gonna simply mix that all up. Just give it a good mix. I had a whisk, but it broke, so get that all. Blend it all up real nice. I'm going to see in the recipe to chill this in the fridge for half an hour, but we're going to give it a try anyhow. So I'm making some. If you'll be watching my next video, I'm going to be doing some Captain Highliner fish burgers. I figured it out. They're going to be working out about, you can get a fillet of fish for about $5.19. The ones I'm going to make, they're probably not, they're not even half of that. They're less than $2 each. I thought I need to make some tartar sauce for it, so that should be. It smells not bad. So we're gonna just give this a little taste. Almost like it's missing something. Try this stuff. This tastes a little bit different. Maybe I didn't add enough onions into it, but a little dab of this stuff. I can get it, it's almost empty. Almost like there's something missing. I don't know what I did wrong here. Maybe I didn't mix. I'll mix it up a little bit more.
Maybe more of the relish?
It's tasting similar. I'll put a little bit more relish in. Because I was looking, there's like 2 different recipes online. I'll just put a little bit more relish in there. We'll try that. It's a little plop. I don't think I want to put any more Miracle Whip in. I think it's the... When you look at this stuff, you can kind of see, you can see the relish throughout there. A little bit different color. That's probably because I used this is more like the McDonald's look. So it's got the mustard in it. Give that a try. Oh yeah, that was it. Didn't have enough relish in there. So if you want to make some very inexpensive tartar sauce, the only downside on it is it only lasts for about 3 days. So that's a fair amount. Like what I got in here is probably way more in this bottle here. But I'm going to try and put in another container, refrigerate it. So you got to refrigerate that for at least half an hour, and then when you're done using it, put in another container or just cellophane this, whatever when you're prepping it in. Make sure you refrigerate it because it is perishable. So until next time, this has been Triple Chip for Down the Hatch 2. Make sure to stay tuned for the Highliner fish burgers will be coming up in the next video. Happy eating. Catch you in the next one.